This is a sword. I'm going to fight with it. Hiya! Oh no, it broke. I need a stronger sword. Okay, let's try this one. Hiya! Ha! Oh, this one is even stronger and better. Let's see how to make it. I've taken 4 newspaper rolls and now I'm going to paste them together. Now I'm cutting the top of the sword with the shape I want. See, now it looks like an actual sword from the top. Now I have taken 2 cardboards in the shape of the sword. I am going to paste it like this. Now I've taken a newspaper and I'm going to roll up the newspaper on the sword. I've got 2 cardboard pieces and now I'm going to paste them here. Now I've got a cardboard piece and the cardboard piece has a hole in the center. I am going to slide the hole through my sword piece. I have made another paper strip and I am going to roll it like this. The grip is ready, the sword looks strong, it's sturdy, and I made some designs on the sword too. Doesn't it look cool? It's painting time. Look friends, the sword is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? I love the paint colors. This is how it looks. Hiya! Ha! Bye! Be creative!